This is how to set up the TP-Link RE505X via smartphone. First of all, make sure that the extender is plugged in next to your router and the power indicator glows solid blue light, and then you can proceed. First of all, install the TP-Link Tether application. It's available in App Store, in Play Store, so you will easily find it. Let's install this application. This is a very convenient way to manage your extender, even more convenient than from PC. Okay, once installed, let's open this application, allow to send notifications, agree to the terms and conditions, tap on continue. Then you have to log in or create a TP-Link ID if you don't have one. Creating an ID is very simple, such as registration somewhere in Facebook or Amazon, so I will skip this step for now. Let me just log in to my account if you don't have create one. So log in. Here you can tap on maybe later for fingerprints and later for two-step verification as well. Okay, and now we are on the application's home screen, and the application doesn't see any devices because we are not connected to the network. We need to connect to the extender's network. To do this, let's go to the Wi-Fi settings, find this network, which is named TP-Link Extender, tap on that, and once connected, let's go back to the application, wait for a while. Here it is, RE505X. If you don't see your extender in this list for a long time, more than a minute, you can tap on the plus icon right here and tap on add a range extender. Once again, make sure that the LED indicator is solid on. Confirm this by tapping on the button. Grant location permission while using the app and tap on next. Now you need just wait until the system detects your extender so that you can proceed. Now you have to set device password. This is not Wi-Fi password so far. This is password to manage your extender from different gadgets, from different browsers. So let the password be not very simple and not very difficult. Let's see what we just typed. Tap on next. And now you pretty much want to select which network you wish to extend. So my network's name is my Wi-Fi. I want to extend this network. It means I must enter my Wi-Fi password here and tap on next. Then I wish to extend my Wi-Fi 5 GHz as well. Enter password once again. If you have different password for 2.4 and 5 GHz bands, keep it in mind. So on this screen you can rename your extender. For example, if you wish to distinguish between different extenders in different rooms, you can name them as bedroom, living room, kitchen, and so on. Let me stick with defaults right now and waiting once again. During this process, the LED lights will gradually turn solid blue. So don't panic, it's normal process. If you have dual band router, you will see 4 in a row eventually. Now we see this screen. We still don't see 4 in a row, but I think we have just to wait for a little bit more. But we already see the screen of location confirmation. It means you can unplug your extender and plug it in somewhere where it serves the best. Then tap on next, copy your password, and you can connect to your network. So let's go to the Wi-Fi settings, find our extenders network, EXT. Let's connect to 5 gigahertz. Connected without password so far, but I think for the next devices you will need the password. The password is the same as for your main router. And that's it. Now let's go back to the application. It's logging in. No internet, this is not true. Let's fix it just by tapping here. Now everything works well, and you can manage the extenders settings from here. For example, go to the More tab, and here you can manage the block list. If you wish to relocate the extender, you can use the location assistant. You can change Wi-Fi coverage to enable less coverage for more power saving. Put the router into extender into high-speed mode, change the operation mode. You can use it as an access point by direct connection using the Ethernet cable, and you can connect the extender to one mesh. This is technology of seamless network, when all your devices across your home are connected to the Wi-Fi seamlessly at the fastest possible speed, without password and without reconnecting between different routers and extenders. And some advanced settings for geeks, I suppose. And for now that's all. I hope this was helpful. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching. Bye guys.